everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm Althea, your chef for today's video. Now I'm gonna cook diabetic friendly with dietary fiber. The dish name is stir-fry vegetables. So let's go. Gagamitin cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, green bell pepper, white onion, red onion, and garlic. Eating the carrots, may dakit ang mga pakiana na babatunon. Number 1 question is, what nutrients being fortified? The dish is primarily fortified with vitamins, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Then has dietary fiber, an antioxidant, also has essential minerals such as potassium and folate. Second question is, what ingredients provide the fortification? Each ingredient contributes specific nutrients, such as carrots is rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene. Broccoli provides vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber. For the cauliflower, adds vitamin C, fiber, antioxidant, and green bell pepper for excellent sources of vitamin C and vitamin B6. Number 3 question. Why fortification is necessary for that diet? Fortification is necessary in a diabetic diet to help control blood sugar levels, improve insulin function, and prevent nutrient deficiency. Number 4 question. How the modification improve the original dish nutritionally? The modification improved the dish nutrition by using low glycemic fiber, rich in vegetables that help control blood sugar while increasing vitamin and antioxidant intake, making it more suitable and diabetic diet. Question na babatunon. First is, why the dish fits the selected dietary application? This dish is suitable for diabetic friendly diet because it is made entirely non-starchy vegetables with a low glycemic index. Second question, key nutrition highlighted or reduced. The dish is high in fiber, vitamin, and antioxidant, while being low in carbohydrate, sugar, fats, and cholesterol, making it more suitable for blood sugar control. Third question, health benefits of the dish. It helps to maintain stable blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and support heart health. So hi guys, magsusunod na ang modified recipe. Add na bell pepper guys. Ilas ko talaga para ito yung nutrients dito na wala. Okay guys, tapos na kita magluto. Tapos amin ninakan original nga recipe, tapos adian modified recipe. Tapos may pa kita May na po kita duwa nga question na babatonon. Siyahan, why each major ingredient was chosen? Each vegetables was selected for its low glycemic index, high fiber content, and ability to provide essential nutrient without causing blood sugar spike. Question. What ingredient substituted modified? Anak kong gin substitute nga din hakuan modified kay broccoli, cauliflower, and bell pepper. Kay itong broccoli may daya vitamin C, K, fiber, and folate. May daga pa minerals. Tapos sa cauliflower, rich siya ha vitamin C, K, B vitamins. Tapos ha bell pepper liwat, may daya kuan vitamin A, C, B, B6, and also may daya minerals and potassium. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.